Many users are wondering how to check their versions of SolidWorks, especially after release of version 2020, when the help section was moved on another place. Before version 2020, the help section stays in this menu here as the last menu. After version 2020, the help section is moved to the right side and is just a symbol with question mark. When you click on the help section, you will find About SolidWorks, and there you can see what kind of SolidWorks do you have. As you can see, I have Connected Maker. Which major version is this? 2022 is mine. And which service pack? You can open files from the same major version and the service pack doesn't matter. But you cannot open files which are from higher major versions. So if you have a 2020, for example, the maximum version of file you can open is 2020. I hope this information was useful for you. Don't forget to like the video, and if you want more helpful videos, subscribe for the channel.